situation is very unstable, and because of the weather condition, 132 kV by 33 kV line, 33 by 11 kV line, and 11 kV line to the LT line substation. Many places it tripped. Our people are on job. We are trying to restore as early as possible.
What is it because of the rain incessant?
Because of the incessant rain, falling of trees and branches on this thing, and because of one fault in one substation, subsequent substation also tripped.
Has there been some major damages anywhere?
As of now, not major damages other than this small damages and tripping, and these things are there. We are waiting. Just now we had a meeting with our Commissioner Secretary Power Department. We are looking into the scenario. Shillong also cut off. We restored major areas. Our people are on job. We try to do, and we hope that weather will be okay. If weather is okay, no rain, then work can be done in a faster way.
Any advisory to the people, sir?
Advisory in the sense, as far power department is concerned, we are trying to do, but we don't know that where the trees will fall or the branches will fall. That may lead to snapping of the conductor and all these things. So please be away from the conductors as much as possible where in the vulnerable areas. Okay, thank you.